600 on. Had Walter not brought me this original photo, it's an original photo, we would have never known this configuration where it started, life. So this is pretty key, and I thank you very much, Walter. And I thank your son for going on Facebook and telling us it wasn't it, and you stepping up and saying, you're wrong. It is it.
Matter of fact, that's the original picture.
That's the original picture, and that's what we built the car back to, its first version. So, thank you.
Craig?
Yes.
Craig? I got a photo I need to take with you.
Okay. Okay. I know, this would be great. Here, Bill, thank you very much. All right. Right here.
All right, everyone look at this camera right here. All right, I'm 3, 1, 2, 3. Brian, you there? Okay.
All right, thank you. If anybody wants to know why I built it this way, now you guys all know. Youngest son, right down there in Barrett-Jackson sticker. Thank you. All right, let's open up the engine.
Just have you looking at Greg if you would.
And it all fits in here. Exactly. Now there's a lot of things that we did that we'll go into in the documentary, and a lot of paperwork that we got out of the archives from Brian Stiles, that all the engineering that tied back to this car. So, pretty cool.
Very cool. That's right. 2,400 horsepower?
No, that's all of them together. This is 600.
Oh, 600.
And we ran it up to 600. It made 600 horsepower at 5,500 RPMs. We could have pushed it harder. I don't want to blow another motor up, so we pushed it to about what I think they ran it at, because it peaked out on torque. So we're all those little tires want to handle. And when you drive it anytime you want, if you stand on it, it smokes them. So it's about all it wants to handle. But if you feather it, it sure gets out of the hole.
Well, even a stock 428 will just burn the tires up and smoke.
If you just mash it. When you lean into it and then you hit second, you hit it hard, this thing's gone.
Such a 118-inch wheelbase. How many rear ends did you go through in this one? You said 3, and
Oh, no, I haven't hardly driven this
okay.
one. We're still tuning it, but the Hornet had the wrong rear end in it, because Fred Goodell told him it had a 9-inch. It had that. When Colin Colmer, and it's all on the board back there, found an original picture of the rear end.
Okay.
That's what started us on the quest, and then we found all the original rear end parts, which was amazing. We found the original intake, the original exhaust manifolds, the original it had the original tail shaft in it still.
Okay. Wow.
This one we found a lot of EXP parts, and Jason did an amazing job working with his whole network. And guys had parts that didn't know what they were. And when we put the call out for them, and they're like, well, and they sent a picture of this. That's it.
That's it.
No, I still got stuff to do. Oh, I was going to. All right. Thank you. I was going to.
And I suspect that they screwed it up on the inside.
There's Jim.
You guys are
Putting out way too soon. We're going to miss the money shot. Thank you.
They're like they put on the Studebaker, except they don't have the sprinkle thing to change.
Maybe next Saturday.
So,
I'll talk to Jim here just about it. I want to finish the documentary.
sprinkle the lever on it, and the pulleys change size.
Let me just finish. I got to do the documentary part here, and then I'll, before I lose this, Jim. Where's Jim at?
It's on the camera.
No.
It's ours.
What?
I'm shooting with Jim, so.
Where's the video?
Yeah, he ran back to start setting up for the interview. You guys,
What interview? Those are questions, but I wanted to get Walter walking around the car.
I can do that.
And are you live on mic?
The audio guy's still rolling the audio, so we're good. Hey, Captain. These are the reason I asked that question.
Right.
Yeah, well, they got so you work in the Julia's getting it.
Okay.
He was going back
He runs off. This is Walter's right here.
My guess is that the Charlie carry if it has have a power steering. Okay, so did they extend the crankshaft?
It's got a crank up. Those aren't going to keep out, but
Yeah,
big rocks.
Yeah, that's and you know you got to have that's a lot of leverage on the end of the cranks now.
Yeah.
Where's the camera?
Two blowers, like 60 horsepower per
Okay.
blower to turn.
Well,
I want to get Walter with
that's
it.
where all free lunch.
So what do you think about the way we...
I used to play with
The way and the two blowers, the way they fit in, it's just like the 427 Cobra.
because the Studebaker
So
changed
is this the way you remember it?
pretty much as you grab the engine. All memory.
Yeah. It had to, because everything sort of just fell together and fit, and it fit. It wouldn't fit any other way.
Keeping blower tension on the belt. Keeping a little bit more tension on the belt. I don't think it's making gas much.
Well, part of it is how it's wrapped too.
What do you think of it
Goes
overall?
this way, and then this one doesn't probably get as good as
This is a
but
baby.
that's the tensioner, I'm sure. Yeah, spread it apart or whatever.
Absolutely.
So they had a lot of. They had to cut into
This is
the
its biggest, baddest self.
spring towers too, I imagine. No, with this engine.
No, it's not been, the shock towers haven't been modified at all.
Okay.
The only thing that's been modified on the
Why don't
body
you sit in it,
is
Walter?
the
You can.
Core support.
out in the radiator.
You walk forward.
Yeah.
Give it for that snout of that crankshaft.
Exactly. Yeah. So the radiator's probably an inch and a half more
Thicker?
forward than that.
Well, it might even be thicker too.
Well, no, it's a stock radiator.
Okay.
And we haven't had any heating problems.
When we built the GTC 50s back in the day when I worked
You're back home again.
we cut out the core support bigger and put the big station wagon radiator.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
50 some years.
I'll be glad they didn't crush it.
Oh, they didn't crush it. I got you on video where they told
He
you
put the IRS
they
in the
did.
car. He's the one
They
that
sold it. The accountants saved the car.
Walter's the one that came up with those photographs that nobody had ever seen. And he lives here in Scottsdale. And we found him through the crowdsourcing.
Yeah, make everybody happy all the time.
We've been here the whole time.
Make their own self.
Good job, young man. Thank you. Good job. Just standing around.
Yeah. It's been a beautiful car. Thank you.
I want you to see it, Walter.
It will run. You keep the tires on the ground. Oh, yeah. I've whooped on it a little bit. It's pretty bad.
One too while we were at
Because I knew he was going to, so I'll make sure he wasn't going to break.
Sure wasn't gonna break. Looks good too.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, looks very good.
We did his authentic restoration. Good. The way they built the new Hornet, we did it exactly the way they built the original one. So
Did good on the original.
he's the guy that did it right here.
You built it the first time. I built this thing.
That's it. The two builders of Little Red. Yeah, let's all get a photo together here.
Be over there?
Yeah, you built it the first time. Jason built it the second time.
So photo to this on video. So photo to you guys. All right, let me get a photo real quick. All right, just smile at this camera here. This is video. I'm going to kind of push into you guys. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Thank you very much.
The builders of Little Red.
Ain't that a reason, I guess. Yes.
I was looking for you guys. Okay. You want to come look at it?
Sure.
How are you guys doing?
I was for sure want to see it.
Pretty exciting here at Barrett-Jackson today, Thursday. Treat yourself to watch all the videos. DanoLive, unedited, as usual. I don't know who else has done any video like I've done today. Obviously, they're going to have their own professional videos done. But it'll probably be their first unofficial video, but it's an official Dano video. There you have it.
And you know how you saw that chest under the fender? Yeah. After we stripped it, it was on the bare metal etched. Well, that was a grand.
What's tripping on that stuff?
Yeah.
But it's on the bare metal. We got great pictures. All the art.
Over here. Yeah.
this car. Oh, and by the way, the handmade one, the handmade one.
There you have it. That concludes DanoLive's coverage of the unveiling here at Barrett-Jackson, Scottsdale, Arizona, 49th annual.